This WhatsApp marketing hack is going to grow your business to the next level. This strategy is not just used by small businesses, huge and big brands also use the same strategy. Now, WhatsApp is the biggest communication tool in the world. And what if, towards your customers, you send your promotional messages just like this you can see on the screen? There are a lot of big brands who actually do and use the same strategy. They promote their business on WhatsApp, sending fun images with text with discount coupon codes attached, their link attached, and much more. Now, you can also promote your business like them. But if I'm going to sit and think, okay, I can do this, I might require a very big tool or coding and programming skills, or I just need to hire an entire team to handle this. No, you just need one software, that is Pabbly Chatflow, that is going to allow you to send promotional WhatsApp messages in bulk to thousands and thousands of customers without getting your WhatsApp business account banned by Meta, and you can promote your business from today itself. For that, you need to stay tuned till the end of this video. So now let me show you how you can promote your business and market your business on WhatsApp just like other big brands without need of any technical coding and programming skill or hire an entire team, just by using Pabbly Chatflow. So as I already told you that I will be using the software Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing tool that will help the businesses to efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversations. So now if you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly Chatflow, you can purchase our yearly plans or one-time plans. I will suggest you to purchase our one-time plans because using the plans, one-time plans, you just need to pay once and get the access of Pabbly Chatflow forever. You will get unlimited access of all the features and benefits of Pabbly Chatflow, and I will suggest you to purchase our Ultimate Plus lifetime plan because you will receive 60,000 tasks every single month, and these are the benefits that you will reach. Now you can see in each and every plan of ours there are existing discounts going on. If you want discounts on top of the existing ones, you can use the code on the left side of my screen. The code is in the description section as well, using which you will get additional discounts. Okay, now I have already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account and you can see I'm on the dashboard. Now, if you want to add your business WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, create your own setup, learn about other features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below. After creating the setup, now to send promotional messages on WhatsApp, you have to create a template first. A template that you need to share as a WhatsApp message towards all your customers. So I have created this template over here in the name of Moon Metal Message. Moon and Metal is the name of my business. It's a jewelry brand. Okay. And this is my message. Your dream jewelry just got affordable. You can see I have given customers or leads a discount coupon code and I've mentioned it's exclusive for them. And it is going to give them 15% off on the purchase. Now with that, I've attached my website link right over here, creating a very attractive message. Now if any of the customers likes my collection and they want to make a purchase through this message, first of all, they will be explored towards my website, and if they want to make a purchase, they can use the code to get additional discounts, and they might purchase from my business through this promotional message. Now to make this message even more attractive, I have created an header as image type so that I can attach a promotional image just like this with the message, so that with the help of the image, they will be attracted more to my business. Now, if you want to learn how you can create the template from the scratch, you can check out the templates video in the description section below. So this is the template I've created. Now, how can I send this template to thousands of customers as bulk message? In that case, we have a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is known as broadcast. You can create your own promotional broadcast. In the broadcast, select the type of contacts to whom you want to send the message to, and towards all of them at once, the WhatsApp promotional message is going to be forwarded. Now, how to create a broadcast, I will teach you in this video. For that, click on this Add Broadcast button. After coming to this page, firstly, it is asking for us to select the broadcast type. There are two types available from which I will select over here as broadcast campaign. If you want, you can select the API campaign as well. Next is broadcast name. So for the broadcast name, I'll write over here as promotional moon and metal message. So this is the broadcast name. You can name the broadcast according to your requirement. Next is contact list. So basically, what is this contact list? If you will open the contact section of your Pabbly Chatflow account on a new tab, and in the contact section, you can see these are the list that I have created of all my leads and customers. Now, towards a specific list, if you want to send this promotional message to, you can create one list of your customers and then select that list from this drop down. That is where you have to select the contact list. Either you can select all the contact list or select a specific list according to your requirement. I have created my leads list right here, so I'll select it. Okay. Next, if you want to refine your audience, you can add in the details and accordingly refine the audience from the contact list. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. Next is select message type. There are two types you can select. One is pre-approved template message, other one is regular message. If you have not created a template message, you can also create a regular message from this section directly and send that broadcast. But as I've already created a pre-approval template, so I'll select the template from this drop down right here. So this is the template that I have created. Now over here, as I want this image, you have to upload this image in this same step only. For that, click on this button. I've inserted my image over here in the gallery. So I will select that image, upload the image from this section and insert the image like this. You can see this is the preview of the message with this image. I'm going to click on this done button and you will see the preview of the message right here also. This is the image that will be forwarded with this template message. Okay, now as we have that, now if you want to test like what kind of a message is going to be forwarded and how the customers are going to see your message, if you want to see and test the broadcast that you're creating, simply enter your name right over here and your phone number and click on this send test button, and you will see automatically a test broadcast is going to be forwarded. It says test broadcast sent, and you will see right over here in the WhatsApp you have received this test broadcast message right here. So as you have tested the broadcast, this is the kind of message that is going to be forwarded towards your customer with the image as well as the entire template message. Okay, so now as we have tested the broadcast successfully, now we have our last option left, that is either you can send this broadcast instantly or you can schedule this broadcast for later. So let's suppose this code that I've applied over here in the message is going to start and activate after 10 days from today. So we can schedule this broadcast for later, but if you want to send this broadcast message instantly towards all your contacts, select the option of no send instantly. I will schedule this broadcast for later. So let's suppose I want this message to be forwarded on 16th of July 2026 at 10 a.m. So in morning 10 a.m. on 16th of July 2026, this message to all my contacts will be forwarded. Add the broadcast from here. The broadcast message is created. Now towards all the contacts, bulk contacts, this broadcast is going to run on 16th of July 2026 at 10 a.m. and the message is going to be forwarded. If you want to view the stats of this broadcast, you can view the statistics of the broadcast from here directly, and the broadcast message is going to be forwarded in bulk to all your customers. So this is how WhatsApp marketing is done. You can market your business on the communication platform that is WhatsApp very easily. So if you like this video, if you like the hack that I've told you right now, what you can do is you can subscribe to our channel. With that, if you have any questions or doubts related to the strategy that we have discussed in this video, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. If you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan so that you can manage your WhatsApp conversations or use this amazing platform to use WhatsApp as a marketing tool in your business, you can use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and additional discounts on the purchase of yearly and one-time plans. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.